Today we are going to talk about the journey of Islam and how it came to earth. This story is not just about a religion, but a way of life that has shaped millions of lives worldwide. Let's explore this beautiful story step by step. Introduction to the beginning of Islam. Islam is one of the three major monotheistic religions, alongside Christianity and Judaism. However, Islam's roots go back much further than the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Islam means submission to the will of Allah, and its essence is the same message delivered by all prophets sent to mankind: to believe in one God and to lead a righteous life. The creation of the first humans. The story of Islam starts at the creation of Adam, peace be upon him, the first human being and the first prophet. Allah created Adam from clay and breathed life into him, making him the father of all humans. Adam and his wife, Hawa, Eve, were placed in paradise, but after being deceived by Satan, they were sent down to earth. Allah forgave Adam, but this event marked the beginning of humanity's journey on earth. Prophets before Muhammad, peace be upon him. Over time, humanity grew and spread across the earth, but many people strayed from the worship of one God. To guide people back to the straight path, Allah sent a series of prophets to remind them of the truth. These prophets included notable figures like Noah, peace be upon him, Abraham, peace be upon him, Moses, peace be upon him, and Jesus, peace be upon him. The message was always the same: believe in one God, be kind, be just, and live righteously. Each prophet brought guidance suited to the time and culture of their people, but all of them preached the core message of Islam, which is submission to Allah. The birth of the final prophet, Muhammad, peace be upon him. Now let's fast forward to around 570 CE, when the final and most significant chapter of Islam began. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in Mecca, a city in present-day Saudi Arabia. He belonged to the tribe of Quraysh, and from an early age, he was known for his honesty and good character. Even before receiving revelations, Muhammad was called Al-Amin, meaning the trustworthy one. When he reached the age of 40, Muhammad, peace be upon him, would often retreat to the cave of Hira to meditate. It was here, in the year 610 CE, that the angel Jibril appeared to him with the first revelation from Allah, marking the beginning of his prophethood, the message of Islam. Muhammad, peace be upon him, began preaching the message of Islam to the people of Mecca. The core teachings were simple yet profound. There is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger. Worship only Allah, and follow the teachings of the Quran, the holy book of Islam, which was revealed to Muhammad, peace be upon him, over a period of 23 years. Practice good morals, honesty, and justice in all aspects of life. These teachings were initially met with resistance, especially from the powerful leaders of Mecca who feared the loss of their influence. But despite the hardships and persecution, Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his followers remained steadfast. The spread of Islam. In the year 622 CE, due to increasing persecution, Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his followers migrated to Medina, an event known as the Hijra. This marked the beginning of the Islamic calendar. In Medina, Islam began to spread rapidly as more people embraced its message of peace, equality, and justice. Over time, through the prophets, peace be upon him, leadership, teachings, and exemplary character, Islam grew, and within just a few decades, it spread beyond the Arabian Peninsula to become a global faith. The universal message of Islam. Islam's message is timeless. It is not limited to a specific group, culture, or race. Islam teaches that all humans are equal before Allah, and that the best among them are those who are the most righteous. It also emphasizes the importance of community, charity, prayer, and respect for others. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, passed away in 632 CE, but the message of Islam lives on through the Quran and the example of his life, the Sunnah. Today, Over 1.9 billion people follow Islam, making it one of the largest and fastest-growing religions in the world. In conclusion, the story of how Islam came to earth is a story of faith, guidance, and the universal message of submission to Allah. It started with Adam, continued through the prophets, and was completed with Muhammad, peace be upon him, the seal of the prophets. Islam remains a source of guidance and peace for millions around the world. May we all strive to live by its teachings of love, compassion, and justice,